the large scale plan for me, and I've started a business brokerage recently, and I'm starting to get a feel for buying and selling companies. I'm also starting to focus on my personal cash flow and getting that to a level where I can take bigger swings, 7-figure investments to potentially buy companies. I want to have a controlling interest in a lot of different businesses. And I know holdco and holding company is a real sexy, word that's going around Twitter. People who just want to own a bunch of cash flowing companies. Myself, Codie Sanchez, several others have kind of brought those things to the attention of others. But that is what small scale private equity is. That's what Brent Beshore is doing. That's what Andrew Wilkinson's doing. We're not buying world changing companies. We're not running world changing companies. We're just buying good ones, and we're pulling some levers. I want to build a portfolio of companies first, a foundation. That's what I'm working on now, of levers that I can pull in my own companies. Okay, I got my own SEO firm, got my own web development firm, got my own Latin American and Filipino recruiting firm, got my own American recruiting firm, got my own pay-per-click performance marketing company. Those 6 companies are the levers that can amplify my other companies that I buy. So building that groundwork now, finding the best operators to partner with, and I'm becoming customers in all of my businesses of my other businesses. I'm going to build that foundation up, build my cash flow up, and in 4, 5, 10 years, whatever it is, I want to be able to buy companies, install operators, and supercharge those companies with my own companies.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.